Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you an app. It's called Lazada all out this 12.12 application in your device. So if you want to get this app, then you have to go Google Play Store if you use Android phone, and go to App Store if you use iPhone. And after that you can see this is look like that, and 4.7 ratings out of 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, we consider that the app is amazing. And 24 million reviews, it means 24 million people write something about this app. So you can see the size of the app only 43 megabyte, and 100 million plus people already download this app or use this app. So you'll get here a lot of offer price. It's the last Lazada big sale of 2023, time to go out from 12 to 14 December. So what you need to do to get this app, simply tap on the install button. So it takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.